Hi friends, so this is what my typical day looks like as a baker. After the early morning drop-offs, I head to the gym very briefly and then head right back into the house to bake up some cakes in the bakery, which is also in the house. I bake up some cakes, which I do every day anyways. So whilst that is baking up in the oven, I then attend to the cakes that need to be decorated ahead of pickup or delivery by the client. Sometimes I have them in multiples, but I need to attend to them as fast as I can to be able to finish before pick up for my kids in the afternoon. So if I don't finish anyone, I just come back to it. Yeah, so when I pick them up, I take them back home to have lunch. They have to have a nap, yeah, and then I let them stay out a bit to just play and run and relax whilst I head out to other engagements that would last most times into the night because of traffic. As tired as I will be, I'll still come back to my unfinished jobs. When I'm done, I send them to bed after prayer.